Hello, hello, yes. Good morning. Oops, one moment. Yes. So, good morning. Uh, this is the next day, day 3, and it's still week 1. So it is currently 9:32 a.m. at Wednesday, November 20th, 2024. And oh yeah, as I re- as I uh as I recall, I did say that it would that wait one moment, that the candle would just uh go back a little bit, then retest, have a retracement at this area of interest, and just either it bounces, has some reaction and bounce, going back to the downside, or it would just go through. But in this case, in this scenario, it bounced, it hit the area of interest, and it bounced on that structure. And yeah, and the rest is history. And it is right now, it is a 1 2 1 2 2 1 2 3 like that. But I didn't really take profit. I did take profit, but I didn't really close it there. I closed it at this mark, like a 122.3 point 30, somewhere there. Only reason why is because I do know that it should go back there. Should go it should go back, having a low to high, then just completely head to the downside. I do know that though. I in and what my plan is going to be is that I'll just wait for the area of interest again, like wait for it to hit the area of interest and just trade there again. Now fully onto all the way to the end of the structure. But yeah, I did close. Now I have a profit of 188. I profited like $120. I was risking $50 for that. So yeah, that was pretty good. I didn't really do a high risk, and probably because the leverage was holding me back. If I could, I would have like leveraged a lot. Like at this point, I would have leveraged a lot, but it didn't let me. And so yeah, I only risked $50 there. And yeah, it was a really big one. I think it was this one. Yeah, it was this one. It had a really big rejection. Like it was instant. It was really fast. Like it was a good thing that I got there. Like the moment it hit the area of interest, I just got there. I just got in like instantly. I didn't really bother on whether it would break the area of interest or the structure. But if it did break the area of interest or the structure, I would have just closed it. Like if it goes through here, goes over, I would have closed it. but it did not do that. And instead just headed to the downside with a massive landslide. Like, bro, in just 5 minutes, it created this massive engulfment. Wait, how many pips are these? So this one big candle is 43 pips, and the whole rejection is 52 pips. Like, yeah, that's a lot. So yeah, that happened. Now I'm waiting for this retracement, or a low to high there. I'm waiting for a low to high in order to trade, and that low to high, I'm pretty confident, is going to be at this structure, at this area of interest. Like, even though it did hit the area of interest and it did have a rejection there, I am still pretty confident that it should go back there, because one, this was on a bullish trend now. It was going high to high, high to low, high to high, high to low, high to high. Then with a sudden shift of structure, creating a low, high to low, then low to high, then low to low, low to high, low to low, low to high, or not low to high yet. It should break this structure, creating a bullish structure over here, making it a making this as the low to high. Well, I would like to just call it a low to high, but in which case this should be like a high to high. But I'll still call it a low to high, because I don't really want to call this a structure. Even this one, I do not want to call these structures over here, and even this one. So I am just going to wait for this area of interest over here, and just trade in there, and like wait for the end of structure now. And yeah, I did close my trade, and I am currently in another trade. Well, I'm just testing the waters. I'm not really fully committing in this trade yet. I'm still waiting for for the structure for this green candle to either break the structure or just head there. Because I need the liquidity, or I need the wick to head there and trade. And well, yeah, I am pretty confident in this, and that's the reason why I am going to trade. Like, I am like really going to trade here. I'm just waiting for a wick here, so I do know that the liquidity is there, and I will also trade kind of early for this, since I do see a really big really good structure, big area. If you're to look in the daily, it is all still red, and this is a massive wick, so it should at least cover or retrace all of those wicks, or even just half of those wicks. It's fine as well. Oops. But yeah, I'm waiting for this as well, and for CAD CHF as well. I am looking into trading here too, since it did hit the area of interest over here, and it is still in no, like it is creating a bearish structure over here. I do need to just wait for it. This is kind of like a retracement, and creating a bearish structure, bearish trend. But all in all, I'm just waiting for GBP CHF. I'm just waiting for this, and for EURCAD, yeah, I'm waiting for this as well. But I did trade a lot though. I did trade quite a lot for just 3 days. Just 3 days of this week. Bro, I think I traded like what, 3, 4, 5. I took like 5 trades for this week right now in just 3 days. Like, that's quite a lot. But I guess, no, I'm not really sure, but I guess it has some CPI news or something. Like there's some CPI or some like really big news, and that's why like it made this big engulfment, and like having all of these engulfments. Like maybe there's some kind of news, but all in all, I'm just waiting for the trades. It is still morning, so I'm still waiting for the London session and also the New York, but mostly London to just get in, or just have the wick and go there and all of that. But yeah, I am still keeping my emotions in check. I am still holding myself accountable, and that is why I'm waiting for this trade. I am not trying to chase the trade. I am just waiting for it. And yeah, because a good trade will come to you instead of you chasing them. It's kind of like a sort of attraction between a woman seducing a man. Well, it's not like everyone does this, every woman does this, but like in some sort they do kind of attract a man as well. Like a woman does attract a man, and a woman can kind of pretend or act like they do not like that man, and is like being hard to get, and in which case the man interested in this chase will chase the woman, will inevitably chase the woman, but could be a trap. So I do not want to be that man. I just want, what I do want is to just wait for the woman I want, and let it come to me instead, either by an accident or by on purpose. Either she bumps onto me by by accident, and like her books fell, and I helped pick her books up, or I or she meets me on purpose, or like she sees me, she comes up to me on purpose, saying, "You dropped this, blah blah blah," and I can converse with her and in there. But anyways, yeah, I'm just waiting for the trades. And I guess I have to go now. Talk to you guys later. Bye.